gang as needed. You'll get us the parts, the air freight from parts needed quickly. Amazing service, amazing quality of our product. We was able to finish it, get the team set up, and you can't count these guys out, man. They're all.
And Mr. Chen came and installed the machine, and it seems that the machine is gonna be working good for our job.
This man, he helped us here. We did a very good job. I was also concerned about the maintenance, and V-Gang gave us some tips over here.
Thank you for your help and helping us with the machine to get everything ready and able to work.
Thank you so much, Chen. I appreciate all your help.
Good machinery and also for a good service.